Instacart may deactivate shopper accounts for several reasons, typically due to violation of their policies or poor performance. I'm going to break down some of the Instacart deactivation account and mistakes you should avoid if you want to stay active. The first one, low customer ratings. Instacart has a minimum average rating requirement of usually 4.7 or out of 5. Repeated low ratings from customers, especially if unsolved, can trigger deactivation. The second one, late or missed deliveries. Timelines are crucial. Frequent lateness or not delivering patches at all leads to deactivation. Abandoning patches without proper cancellation is also a major red flag. The third one, order tampering or theft. Marking items as delivered when they weren't or intentionally keeping items is considered theft. This leads to immediate and permanent deactivation. The fourth one, violation of terms and services. I'm going to show you the terms and services right now. You can also read it on your own on this website right here. So if you let someone use your account or multi-apping with another person, that's a violation. Using bots, that's a violation. Falsifying information, also a violation. The last one is a background check. So failing a background check, initial or annual review can result in a deactivation. This includes new criminal records or updated driving violations.